guys, today I bought myself a package. I've been wanting to buy this for my shorts so that I can be posting more quality pictures, and today I got this package. This is how it comes. I don't know why online I saw it in a box, but now I can't see the box. This is how it was given to me. No complain. So, and there we go, and it's a drone. I got myself a drone that I'll be going to be using for some time now. Yes, this is how it is, a drone. Take a feel of it. I bought myself an AA battery because it uses an AA battery. This is it. Ta-da! I've tested it out and I can testify. That's the sound. It's on. You can see. We're flying our drone later. I'll be showing you pictures around. So this one has that's the up, that's the down, that's the fly up, that's the fly down, then that's the up, that's the down control panels. You have this one here, you have these key features, you can see them. It's over here. Yes, there's another feature here. I've already installed the AA batteries. It wasn't part of it. I bought it and installed because I wanted to feel how this at the shop. I always buy to feel. So it's not you have to pull it out and bring it out. That's how it is. Then the drone, that's the keys. There's nothing again. Oh, I forgot this code here. So that's the drone. It counts. That's my AA battery. I'll put it somewhere. Comes with an extra. Let me see. Comes with the blades, the blade protectors. There are 4. Comes with a charger. Wow, it's an Android charger. It's a normal Android charger connected to. It comes with a screwdriver. The screwdriver it comes with no, my SD card is still here. Sorry. Comes with extra blades. 1, 2, 4 of them in case the blade gets broken. But I mean 4 is well, I'll be using to see. I've seen a charger. I don't know where I'm going to charge on this drone, but let's see. Ta-da, 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 ta-da. Okay, there is a battery. It has a battery. I was looking for the one with a dual battery, but I just got one. So this is where you'll be charging. Okay. Charging slot. Tim. So we'll be charging the battery to plug in our drone. This is the E88. I wanted to get the E99. No, this is the E99. I wanted to get the E88. But the E88 was not available in my town, so I needed to go far to go get it. You can see we have our drone here. Let's put it on beautifully. Let me connect. It's connected. So I'll flip inside the menu. This is the manual to look through. The first manual comes. The second manual, how to operate this. I got my receipt, and there is nothing in the box again. So it comes with its own bag. It's in a bag form. You can be holding it out wherever you want to. Now, I did a little search. Let's try fly. So it's on. Our drone is on. So let's try to put it off. Good. So immediately you put it on, the drone starts rotating. So I'll be using it, then I'll be telling you the review later on about it. Guys, thank you very much.